Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Now in this video I have the trade plan for tomorrow and what I am watching for tomorrow. Very simple, very easy to understand. If you guys like this content, in return I'm asking you is to just hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. Okay, so very simple video. Electrical vehicles. Okay, so we have XPEV. Okay, so XPEV, XPEV is a ticker, and then we have NIO, which is a very common one, and then we have Tesla, which I've already made a whole video on YouTube, so you can check that out on Tesla. But I am watching XPEV and NIO. I like to look at NIO and XPEV because they are very cheap, and they have very cheap contracts. Both of them. Okay, and Tesla is very expensive, and I don't like to alert Tesla because it is very expensive for everyone. Okay, so first thing I'm looking at XPEV. Okay, this is a symmetrical triangle breakout. Unlike the ascending triangle where we make higher highs and we have a ceiling, okay, this one we're kind of like hitting this right over here. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, again, 3 is a magical number. Okay, third time is the charm. Okay, this is the charm. Okay, so right over here again, 3 is a magic number. Third time is the charm, and this is our third breakout, and we closed right around resistance. So I'm watching this right at open. Whenever we close at resistance, we have that major breakout because we have that very high volume at open and pre-market. Okay, so XPEV looks amazing. As for my price target, so let's see, where would I set my price target? So we have very nice wicks right around over here. So right around over here would be my price target. I would again leave stop loss at over here, okay, at break even. So once we do break out, okay, so once we break this out, let me change this. Once we do break out, leave stop loss right over here because we might come back down to retest the support. Other than that, it looks very nice. Okay, so this is a symmetrical triangle. Take notes. This can go either way, but again, we're breaking it to the top side. And then I want to look at NIO. Okay, NIO is another great play, another cheap play, and I think this is okay. So this is not a earnings gap. Okay, so understand that this is not a earnings gap. Whenever we have earnings gap, it usually takes longer to fill, but we have this very nice gap on NIO. It's pretty small, so our price target for NIO, okay, our price target for NIO is right over here. Is this nice gap. Okay, so I would enter in NIO and XPEV right at open. Okay, they're looking very nice. Tesla looks very nice. All of the EVs look very nice. Another one is Lemme. Okay, Lee's is setting up. It's having this delay, but Lemme, XPEV, NIO tomorrow right at open. Okay, XPEV, and then we have NIO, and then so NIO again is the gap. And then Tesla, I'm not going to alert Tesla because it's just very expensive, unless if it's a scalp or something. But other than that, very simple. Okay, very simple video. This is going to be the trade plan for tomorrow. Okay, watch this full video, take notes, please. Set your own stop loss, you know, do your own thing, just follow my charts. And other than that, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, and in return, all I'm asking for you to do is hit that like button. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.